Can you tell me what did you write? Did you write Roman number 2? Answer, Akshara. Did you write Jane? What did you write, Jane? Tell me. Did you write Roman number 2? Just read the heading. What you have written in your classwork note. Jane? Okay, I will show the presentation. You tell me. Okay, Jane, 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Jane, have you written this?
No, ma'am.
No.
Only I joined.
Yes?
No.
No. What about Akshara? Akshara?
Written, ma'am.
You have written. So, Jane, just wait, okay? Now, Akshara, just check in your classwork whether you have written this, Roman number 2. Yes, hurry up. Effie? Effie? Have you written this in your classwork note?
No, ma'am.
No. So do one thing, children. All of you take a new page. Jane, don't worry about the first one because ma'am will give you revision. Revision time, ma'am will give all that. Now, everybody take your classwork note. Only if he is talking to me, others don't turn on your mic. Those who haven't written number 1, no problem. Please take a new page and write Roman number 2 in your classwork note. A new page. Write today's date. Now, Kanira, can you tell me today's date?
Ma'am, 19.2.20.
19/2. Okay, very good. Please start writing this. Don't worry about Roman number 1. Ma'am will give you revision later. Okay, one worksheet will be sent to everybody. So please write Roman number 2. Circle the unit. That's enough. Only write, circle the unit. No need to write all other things. That means it is understood that you have to circle the right unit. You will see to measure the capacity, all that, no need. Only write circle the unit. Okay? Circle the unit. That's enough. Leave one line. A pot of tea. I need your help. I need your help. Abhisham. 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 Yes. Aratrika. Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, just observe how Aratrika responds. As soon as I called her name, she said, yes, ma'am. That's the way you have to sit in class. Whether you know the answer or anything, you have to say that you are present. Good, Aratrika. Can you read the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read, Aratrika.
A pot of tea.
Yeah, can you measure a pot of tea in liter or milliliter? Pot of tea, not a tumbler or glass. How will you measure a pot? It's quite lot, not little. How will you measure a tumbler of tea? Tumbler, a glass of tea. First you tell me that. Aratrika, a glass.
Milliliter.
Milliliter. Now a pot of tea can be measured?
Milliliter.
Milliliter. Okay, not very much. Milliliter, you can have 1 liter means too much. Okay, a pot of tea. It can be little more than that. Then it's a big bottle or big flask, like it can be liters also. Okay, it can be small pot, it can be big pot. That means we'll tell a big jar like that. Okay, it can be both milliliter as well as liter. Some pot will be very big. Okay, Now, milliliter is little measure. In a house, you need only like 500 milliliter, like, because 1000 milliliter only will make 1 liter. So you don't need like that in your house. Think that. Don't worry about a big pot. Okay. A bucket of colored water. This is for Akshita. Can you tell me? Akshita, Abhisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Akshita. Who's this?
Akshita, ma'am.
Very good. How are you, Akshita?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to attend classes regularly. Okay. Akshita, can you tell me a bucket of colored water? A bucket. Lots of water. Yeah. A bucket of colored water. How will you measure? Will you measure in liters or milliliter? Other children, please write it. Leaving one line, write. Akshita, do you know the answer? Akshita, milliliter means little only you can collect. Okay, now liter means you can just measure more. So it will come liters. Okay, Akshita, liter. Now when you buy milk, you'll have half a liter packet or 1 liter. So you just see that quantity. Okay, 1 liter means 2 small packets you will get. Okay, children, oil you can get 1 liter, 1 big packet. Okay. Now, Evelyn Sarah, can you tell me a mug of coffee? A mug of coffee. Little only. A mug. A cup of coffee, a mug of coffee, a tumbler, a glass. How will you measure?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now, Aunt John, please don't disturb.
Okay, ma'am. Can I just ask you one thing?
A mug of coffee. Evelyn Zera. Okay, get here.
Ma'am, a mug of coffee, milliliter.
Yeah, because its quantity is less. The measurement, you can measure that in milliliters, little only. Okay, children. Now, Getsia, have you completed these notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, Kanira, did you complete?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now children, I am not going to wait for this one to complete because I will give you the worksheet later. Let's go to the next one. Let's go. Don't worry about written work. You will get different items. So you can just see that. This one you can go to the recording and you can see it. It's not necessary for you to write. Let's see the next one. Please close your classwork note. Take out your textbook. Page number 130, 130, 130, 130. Don't worry about the written work. Children, I have to, after this, I will ask you and I will clear your doubts of why you lost 1 mark. Some children, many of you, but other children, it was a general question and they did it so well. I will explain to you before I could close this class. Okay. Now, just look at the pictures. Please write today's date just above this heading. Data handling, data. See, don't worry. Don't worry about anything, learning outcomes and all, no need. You can straight away come to this. See, it's a collection of information about things or people, nothing else. Don't worry about the heading and it will take long time. Yes.
What is the page number, ma'am?
Who's that? Tell me.
Akshita, ma'am.
Akshita, what happened, Akshita? What do you want?
What's the page number, ma'am?
Page number, see, look at the screen. Look at the screen down, 130. Page number is 130. 3130. Don't be going on turning the pages and sit, Akshara. Now, Ratna. Okay. Please don't turn on your mic. You have to check the screen whether everything is there. Page number and the lesson number. Please write the date, today's date, 19-2, 19-2 or bar 2. Put one small hyphen, that's better, because otherwise 19 will become 191 for you. Now listen. Ratna bought the following vegetables from the Sunday market. See, you will take long time to read. Ratna bought. Now I want Mitra. Mitra, are you there? No. Arush, can you read this question from your textbook? Ratna bought.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read this. Ratna, name of a lady. Ratna. Read. Ratna bought. Don't worry, Ratna.
Bought the following vegetables from the Sunday market.
Can you tell me the first one? What is it? Tomatoes. But wait. Now, please look. I will explain to you. First one, tomatoes. Okay. Second one, cauliflower. Arush.
Yes,
It's okay.
ma'am.
It's okay. I will explain to you. Turn off your mic. Tomatoes, cauliflower. You have to be very, very careful. You have to pay attention. Next one, brinjal, big onions, lady's finger. Now, these are the items he bought. Now, quickly we want to do what are the things he bought. Let's see. The number of vegetables she has bought can be counted very easily by putting a tick mark for one vegetable, one tick, each vegetable. So you have to make a table like this, okay? And you have to write vegetables. I will teach you, we will do it in classwork note, but now you do here, vegetables, okay? Tomato, first one, cauliflower, brinjal, onion, lady's finger. Now, next child is Israelina. Can you tell me the number of tomatoes there? Each tomato, you have to put 1 minute. Each tomato, 1 minute. For each tomato, you have to put a tick mark because you don't need to draw again. So, how many tomatoes are there?
8, ma'am.
So, as you count, you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's already done. Very good. Jamima, can you tell me the next one? Can you tell me number of cauliflower? Yes, Jamima.
Yes, ma'am.
Number of cauliflower?
2, ma'am.
1 minute, 2. Very good, Jamima. So you have to put, how many tick marks you have to put?
2, ma'am.
2. Very good, Jamima. Now, Juansri, can you tell me the number of brinjals?
Ma'am, the brinjal's number is 6, ma'am.
6. So as you count 1, you put a tick mark. 2. See here, it's given in a column. But when I give you in your classwork note, everything will be mixed up. So as you see one picture, you have to put a tick mark. Now see here, brinjal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 tick marks. Now, big onions. Pratika, can you tell me how many onions are there?
4 onions, ma'am.
4. So you have to put 4 tick marks. Children, it all will be given mixed up, not in a column like this. Understood? 4 onions. Now what is the next thing, ladies? Finger. Rida, can you tell me, Rida?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Count the ladies' fingers. Ladies'
1,
fingers.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12
Yes.
ladies'
So,
fingers are there, ma'am.
how many tick marks you have to put?
12.
12. Now, you just come back to the next column. First one is vegetables, tick mark, the number. You can count all this and write the number. It's very easy to see. See here, 8, 2, 6, 4, 2. Children, when you finish answering, turn off your mic. Ansh, John. Ansh. That's all. Anyway, I will call principal ma'am right now. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, I'm going to call principal ma'am because Ansh comes and joins the class. In between, he will ask questions and disturb the class. After that, no answer. Ansh. Okay, children, we don't need to wait for him. We will go to the next one. See there. This is the table we are going to draw. Representation of data using pictures. You are going to represent vegetables and the symbols given. Vegetables. First one is tomato. How many tomatoes? 1 minute.
Tomatoes.
Okay.
Tomatoes.
8. 1 minute. Don't ask who's this. Is it Ansh? No. Okay. Akshara, can you tell me how many tomatoes?
Ma'am, 8 tomatoes.
You just say 8 is enough. Don't say, ma'am, I ate and all that. 8. Now, Effie, tell me the number of cauliflower. Effie?
2, ma'am.
2. Now, Fatima?
Yes,
Fatima?
ma'am.
1 minute, Fatima, I just want to see you. Fatima, where are you? Turn on your camera. Fatima, you're doing everything, but Fatima, you have to attend classes. You're joining, I don't know the problem, whether it's with the system or whatever it is. When I call your name, you have to answer, Fatima. Otherwise, for internals, you won't get any mark. Okay, Fatima, please cooperate with us. Any issues you have to tell your sister to talk to me. Okay, or your brother. You have to attend the classes. Okay, Fatima? Okay, now tell me, Fatima. Tell me, number of brinjals.
6.
One. Louder. See how ma'am is screaming. Yes. 6. Must tell louder. Now, number of onions, Joshika Mary.
Yes, ma'am, I'm Joshika.
Joshika, nowadays you are taking leave and going away from my class. You must come to class daily, okay, Joshika? Okay, tell me,
Okay, ma'am.
big onions.
4.
4. Now, Kanira, tell me. Tell me about his finger, please count.
Ma'am, 12, ma'am.
How many? 12. Now you know what you have to do. It's very easy and it's very nice to do. You will get 10 mark. Okay, it's very easy to interpret. Don't want to interpret and all that word. About picture, 4 onions were bought, number of brinjal bought is, yeah, there's something else is there. Now, next child, Miss Kailina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now listen. Which vegetable is less in number? Less. Hurry up.
Cauliflower.
Very good, cauliflower. Now, Misty. She's not there. Mitra. Samantha, sweetie. All of you sleep now. 1 minute. Now listen, children, I told you, this is second round and all must come to class. Now, Sona,
Yes, ma'am.
Sona, just look at the screen or look into your book. Now tell me the name of the vegetable more in number. Which vegetable is more in number?
Lady's finger.
Okay, very good. So when we ask you any question, number of, see the second one B, number of brinjals bought is less than the number of tomatoes. Now, tomatoes, 8 tomatoes are there and brinjal only 6. Understood? This is the way you have to do. We are not going to ask you anything. I will give you certain questions like this. You have to answer. Okay, children? Now, let's see the next one. One minute. Next one, this one. And close and go back. Okay, children, just wait. I want the next slide. 1 minute, 1 minute. Next slide is which one? No, it's already there. Next one. Page 19. Yeah. Wait a minute. Just wait, children. We are going to continue the same thing.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see the screen? Yes? You have this. 1 minute. Who's telling no, ma'am? You have this in your page, in your textbook 131, the previous page. All these pictures, please take it. Ma'am, just put it up. See, children, principal ma'am, Nadha sir, all are sitting here to watch you all, okay? Sona, did you get the same picture in your textbook? Joshika, Ashwant, turn off your mic. Down, 131, just down. All these pictures are there. 131. Tridip, did you get it? Turn off your mic, Joshika. Okay, let's
Yes,
start.
ma'am, I got the page.
Tridip, 131, the last question. In your textbook.
ma'am.
Listen carefully.
I got the page, ma'am.
No, don't say now. Because you told something I spoke. Now, listen. Savita gave the following clothes for ironing. Okay, after washing your clothes, your parents may iron or they will give to the iron man. Okay, now we'll see. Now, you saw the pictures. When you read each question, you have to put a tick mark for each picture. First, you take all these shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, tell me the number of shirts.
That's 7.
No, I will ask one by one. I want Shashwata to tell me. You are going to give this for ironing, okay? Now tell me, Shashwata, how many shirts are there? 7. How many tick marks you have to put? Only Shashwata. How many tick marks you have to put?
7.
Yes, please put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, next question is for Shama. Shama.
Ma'am.
Oh, very sad, Shama. Shama, please gain some energy. Yes, ma'am. Say.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Shama, can you tell me trousers? See, for pants, you must not tell pants. Trousers. See here. Count the number of trousers and tell me. Now, please, children, write the number also there. 7. Okay. In your textbook. Now, tell me, Shama, number of trousers. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Other children, please do. See how neatly sir has done this. You know that you got a master for you. Yes or no? Music master. Who's your music master? Anyone?
David Prasad.
Very good, David. One who told this answer will get 10 points more. Okay, I'll ask you
David
now.
David.
Now, David sir is enough. If anyone tells again, David sir, minus mark.
Ma'am. 5,
Shama,
ma'am.
can you tell me the number of trousers? Which number I have to write here in the last column?
Ma'am. Shaina, ma'am. Ma'am.
Shaina, don't say anything now. Shaina, wait. I'm asking Shama.
Ma'am. 5, ma'am.
Very good. Now, next question goes to Shaina. Shaina, count the number of ladies will get kurti for them. There must be for gents.
2, ma'am.
1 minute, sir. 2 tick mark. Very nice. You don't be putting kacha mucha work in your textbook. See how neatly it's done. Between 2. See here, and the last one. Don't be putting all that together in one corner. Exactly like this neat work, because textbook exercise you are going to get mark. Shaina, tell me the number in number column.
Ma'am. 2, ma'am.
Shaina, 2. Somebody is singing over there. When I asked about music master, who is that singing over there? Niral and Sandy, turn off your mic, please. Sandy and Niral. Yes. Now let's see the next one. Very good. See how it's done. 7. Don't be writing all this in a line. It will look ugly. 7. 5 this side. 2. Now, T-shirt. Tanvi. Tanvi of 2A. Tanvi.
Ma'am.
Please tell me the number of T-shirts.
4, ma'am.
4. You said 4. Don't say 4, ma'am. So see how it's done so well, neatly. And the tick mark, it's not that reaching the next line. Small, small. Number, you tell me number.
4.
4. Very good. Now represent this information using a picture. Now I think you don't have enough time to do, but you can do it in your book because you have 2 days. Shirt. You have to draw like this. Not you cannot draw the shirt. Instead of that small rectangle. How many shirts? Just do it later. Not now, later. 7. Then trousers. 5. Kurtas. 2. So you just do it, not now, later you can complete it. T-shirt, 4. That's all. Okay. Now, number of shirts given for ironing. Now, Arush, can you tell me the number of shirts given for ironing? How many? See the number of shirts up. Arush Botra is not there. Alan George.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the number of shirts given for ironing?
Ma'am. 7, ma'am.
Very good. Total number of clothes given. You have to add all this. You find out and tell me the answer, Alan. What is 7 plus 5?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
80, ma'am, all together, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Alan. Very good. Now, children, slowly you can do this. There is no need to send homework for you. You can complete this one. Okay, children? You can complete till this page. Now it's already time. You can leave the classroom. Don't say thank you. If anyone says thank you, I will